Dr. Smith.
Take exit 39. On to RR. In 550 meters, turn left on Mississauga Road.
I got it.
I think it is a start or something.
Well, if it's that. I mean, are you still taping?